Ever wondered how AI can transform a simple text prompt into a dynamic video? Picture this: you type a sunset over a futuristic city, and suddenly you're watching shimmering lights, swirling clouds, and maybe even a drone gliding through the scene. This isn't magic. It's the result of groundbreaking research in text-to-video generation. But how do these systems actually work? Let's dive into the science behind the magic, exploring the cutting-edge techniques that are redefining what AI can create. At the core of this technology are diffusion models, AI systems that generate content by reversing a noise process. Think of it as unscrambling an egg. The model starts with random noise and gradually refines it into a coherent image or video. But videos add a whole new layer of complexity. Unlike static images, videos must maintain consistency across frames, match motion, and align with the narrative implied by the text. This requires not just creativity, but precision. Take text-to-video 0, for instance. This method repurposes existing text-to-image diffusion models to generate videos without ever seeing a text-video pair. It's like teaching a child to draw a moving scene by only showing them still images. The model learns to infer motion and structure from the text alone, using advanced pattern recognition to simulate realistic transitions. Meanwhile, FlowEdit takes a different approach. By leveraging pre-trained, flow models that track motion between frames, it edits videos without reversing the entire diffusion process, making it faster and more efficient. Other breakthroughs tackle specific challenges. StableV2V ensures shapes and objects remain consistent across frames, preventing jarring distortions. Fate0 combines multiple attention mechanisms to parse complex prompts, like a cat wearing a top hat juggling pineapples, by prioritizing relevant details. And Magic demonstrates how text can directly manipulate real-world images, allowing users to edit lighting, objects, or even textures with just a few words. These techniques rely on architectures like transformers, which process sequential data, and attention maps, which highlight critical visual elements. But these advancements aren't just technical feats, they're reshaping media creation. Filmmakers, educators, and artists could soon turn ideas into visual stories with unprecedented ease. Yet this power raises urgent questions. How do we prevent misuse? What happens when AI-generated content becomes indistinguishable from reality? The answer lies in ethical frameworks and transparency, ensuring these tools serve creativity without compromising truth. Enter FlowDirector, a recent innovation that's pushing the boundaries of video editing. Unlike traditional tools, FlowDirector allows creators to swap objects, add elements, or rework scenes while preserving the original structure. It's like having an assistant that understands not just pixels, but the story behind them. By analyzing motion flow and contextual cues, it maintains consistency in backgrounds and natural motion, even when making dramatic changes. However, FlowDirector isn't without limitations. While it excels at preserving structure, it struggles with style transfers, like turning a real-world video into an animated masterpiece. This is by design. Its focus on accuracy prioritizes fidelity over artistic experimentation. Researchers are already working on balancing this control with creativity, but the trade-off highlights a key challenge: how to let AI be both precise and expressive. The ethical stakes are high. If AI can alter reality so seamlessly, it could be weaponized for misinformation or bias. This isn't just a technical problem, it's a societal one. Developers, policymakers, and users must collaborate to establish guidelines, ensuring these tools empower rather than deceive. The future of AI-generated video is unfolding rapidly, driven by researchers who are not just building tools, but redefining what's possible. As these models evolve, they'll blur the line between imagination and reality. But with responsibility, they could revolutionize storytelling, education, and creativity. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore how these tools work, check the links below. And if you're as fascinated by AI's creative potential as I am, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating.